Hello student, today I teach biology class 9th chapter 1 cell. Definition of cell. Cell is a structural or functional unit of all living things. All living things is made up of cell. Cell is a very smallest unit which is not seen by naked eye. For example, you make a building to use bricks to build the wall. The one bricks is similar to one cell. So you know, if you compare the building and living beings, so bricks is a like a cell. Bricks is a like a cell which is unit of building. Bricks is a unit of building, and millions of bricks to make one building, similar to millions of cells make living organisms. Here cell is united grouped to make tissue. Tissue is grouped to make organ. Organ cooperate and work together make organ system, and organ system found in living beings. So you see here that the smallest unit is cell. Cell is a living things. Depending upon cell is three types: living beings, living things depending upon cell, is three types. Here three types depending upon cell. Depending upon cell, here three types: acellular, acellular organism, organism like virus. Virus is acellular but infected to cell, it is become living. When it not infected, it is acellular, and when infected any cell, it use the machinery of infected cell, so it is acellular organism. Now unicellular organism, unicellular organism, and last one is multicellular organism. Cellular organism. Unicellular organism, example is amoeba, paramecium. You know amoeba, paramecium, paramecium. I write here paramecium. Euglena, euglena. Planaria, amoeba, paramecium, euglena, planaria. This is all of unicellular organism. Multicellular organism, example lower organism, hydra, sponges, higher organism, dog, cat, human beings, all of multicellular organism. So, living beings, according to cellular organization, divided in three parts. First, acellular organism like virus. Second, unicellular organism, example amoeba, paramecium, euglena, planaria. And multicellular organism में chordata and non-chordata. Non-chordata, in chordata human beings, dog, cat. Non-chordata में lower organisms, hydra, sponges, starfish, and so on. So this is organization of cell. Cell type. Cell type. Cell has two types: prokaryotic cell, and eukaryotic cell. Eukaryotic cell. Cell have two types: prokaryotic cell and eukaryotic. First of all, prokaryotic cell. Prokaryotic cell are primitive type, and it has no true nucleus. Primitive type, no true nucleus. This type, eukaryotic cell wall. It has cell wall, cytoplasm, no nucleus, and no nuclear wall. Yeah. In place of nucleus, single-stranded DNA is present in cytoplasm. No distinction between this DNA and cytoplasm. So this is prokaryotic cell. Tick cell. This is cell membrane. This is cytoplasm. This is single-stranded DNA. Which is genetic material found in prokaryotic cell. Prokaryotic cell, very primitive type of organism. In very primitive type of organism is made up of prokaryotic cell like bacteria, virus, algae, some cyanobacteria, some algae, blue green algae is made up of prokaryotic cell. Very primitive type of organism is made up of prokaryotic cell. In prokaryotic cell, some cell organelles are also found. What is cell organelles? Cell organelles is organ which is found in within the cell. Work for cell is called cell organelles. Likewise, ribosome, mitochondria, lysosome, endoplasmic reticulum. are example of cell organelles. So this is a prokaryotic cell. Eukaryote. Now the second type of cell is eukaryotic cell. Eukaryotic cell is well developed cell in which nucleus is differentiated to nuclear membrane. In nucleus, nucleolus is also present, and thread-like chromatin thread is also present. Chromosome is also present. So this is nucleus. This is nuclear membrane. Nuclear membrane. This is cytoplasm. Cytoplasm. This is cell membrane. This is cell membrane. And here ribosome is attached with nuclear membrane. Endoplasmic reticulum is also found in endoplasmic reticulum is two type, rough type and rough type and leave it. Endoplasmic reticulum is I explained after this. Endoplasmic reticulum, chloroplast, mitochondria, lysosome, centrosome. This all cell organelles are found in eukaryotic cell. Eukaryotic cell. Eukaryotic cell is two type found in animal called animal cell. Animal eukaryotic cell. In animal eukaryotic cell, only cell membrane is found, and in plant eukaryotic cell, cell wall is also present, which is covered by cell membrane. All plant cell contain cell wall, which is made up of cellulose. Cell wall, cell membrane, nucleus, nuclear membrane and cytoplasm. Here only cell membrane. Cell membrane and nucleus and nuclear membrane. Here cell wall is absent in animal cell and present in plant cell. And chloroplast is also present in plant cell and absent in animal cell. And large vacuole is also present in plant cell and absent in animal cell. So there are 4 to 5 differences of plant cell and animal cell. Plant cell and animal cell. Cell wall present, cell wall absent. Chloroplast present, Chloroplast is a organelle which is found plant cell. Chloroplast is found in leaf, you know very well, which is responsible for photosynthesis. In animal cell it is absent. Plant cell have large vacuole are present. In animal cell, very small vacuole are absent. So this is three differences of plant cell and animal cell. Two another differences which is discussed after. What is vacuole? Vacuole is a space in which cell sap is present. Space found in plant cell. Vacuole. In vacuole, this type of plant cell. In plant cell wall, cell membrane, here a vacuole is also present, large vacuole. Here nucleus and nuclear membrane is present. Vacuole, in vacuole cell sap is filled. So this is differences between plant cell and animal cell. Now, who discovered cell? So first of all, Anthony van Leeuwenhoek. Anthony van Leeuwenhoek is a scientist which is discovered, invented simple microscope. Handmade microscope. So this is simple handmade microscope is first invented by Anthony van Leeuwenhoek. Then Robert Hooke modified this microscope and cut a honeycomb cut a cork slice very this is a cork. What is cork? Cork is a soft substance which is made up of bark. Bark is found in upper portion of stem. This is dead cells and protected to stem. So cork, when he cut this slice of thin slice of cork cell and see under microscope, he sees this type of species. Honeycomb like species. This type of honeycomb. Under microscope you see which is cork is dead cell. I say bark is dead cell, so cork is also dead cell. So there is no cytoplasm, no nucleus, no any cell organelles, only structure, this cell wall, because it is plant, so this cell wall is seen under microscope. So Robert Hooke in discovered the cell. Discovered the cell. After this, the this cell was discovered by Robert Hooke in 1990. In 1890, no, this is not. After this cell is one scientist Sliden